Hi everyone, welcome to SC Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mango protein chia pudding jars. We're going to make 4 total with no protein powder. So each one of these has over 11 grams of fiber per jar and over 17 grams of protein. And it's so tasty. I looked forward to breakfast 4 days in a row. I wished I had more. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is you can use fresh or frozen mango chunks. So I've got 2 cups here, but I'm going to save a little bit of extra for the topping. I'm just going to leave them out to thaw. Now I'm going to add 2 cups directly into a high-powered blender. Then you want to use some kind of milk that has protein in it. So I'm using like a protein cashew almond milk. You could use soy milk, whatever, regular milk, whatever has protein in it, because we want to make sure we're getting protein in these without the protein powder. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of either maple syrup. You can add honey if you want to do that instead, or agave, whatever sweetener you want to add in here, just to make it taste good. And then I'm going to add non-fat Greek yogurt. So I'm going to add 1 whole cup. Now you can easily use a vegan yogurt here. You can get protein vegan yogurt. So if you want to make sure there's protein in this, you are going to have to get a protein vegan yogurt, just FYI. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that yogurt into the blender as well. You can add a little bit of vanilla in here too, like 1 teaspoon if you want a little bit of vanilla flavor. Then we're just going to blend that up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. We are not going to blend the chia seeds in here. We're actually going to stir them in after. So then I'm going to get out my 4 just mason jars, meal prep jars, whatever you want here. I'm going to just divide this mixture evenly between the 4 jars. And then I'm going to add in my chia seeds. Now my mangoes are just sitting out on the counter to thaw while I'm doing this. Like I said, fresh mangoes are great, but I just didn't have any. And sometimes it's hard to find them ripe, or they're pricey or whatever. So I just love using the frozen chunks from Costco. So each jar is going to get 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add those directly in and give them a good stir. Now, this is not the final stir. We're going to give them a second stir. And the reason is because if you don't do this, you can get chunks and it's actually so gross. So I highly recommend doing the double stir method. So I'm going to stir the chia seeds in 2 tablespoons per jar. That's where we're getting a lot of our fiber from, which is so good for you, and omegas, everything like that. Such a great way to start the day, keep things running smooth. Now I'm going to leave them for 5 minutes and then do that second stir. Then I'm going to store them in the fridge for 4 hours before adding the toppings, or you can just wait until overnight. I'm going to put the fresh mango chunks on top. You can sprinkle a little bit of coconut. You can put granola. You can put whatever you want on top of these. It's so delicious. These are actually really good with fresh raspberries on top too. Raspberries, mangoes just like really complement each other in this delicious way. So that's another option too. And those are ready to go, and they store in the fridge for up to 4 days. They're honestly so tasty. You could also use a vanilla yogurt in this if you wanted to make it even tastier. And absolutely love this one. It's great for people who don't like protein powder but still want to get some protein in the morning. It's so full of fiber, such a great way to get in your fiber. I hope you love this. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more recipes like this.